All right, welcome back. I've got two special guests in studio this morning. I've got Pittsburg High School wrestling coach Elsie Davis and Kelly Keller, sophomore at the high school, joining us this morning to tell us about a canned food drive that's underway. Tell me a little bit about this program.
We're here for the Daniel Parker annual food drive. It's a food drive that helps a lot of people in need. We raise food and donations for kids in need in the Thanksgiving holidays. They do study hall versus study hall, and it's just a great event.
Elsie, I understand you're also the success coordinator at the school.
Yep, I'm the student support coordinator at Pittsburg High School with Communities and Schools, and basically I just help bridge the gap for students that may be in need of anything, whether it's school supplies, hygiene products, clothing, non-perishable food items. We try to help those students in need so they don't have those needs.
Do you specifically focus on the high school or the other schools in the district as well?
Yes, there is someone like my position, a student support coordinator in every school at USD 250, but I primarily work with the high schoolers.
And Elsie, I know it's been a rough year economically, like coming out of COVID. Some people are back to work, some families don't have parents that are back to work. Are you seeing more of a struggle right now?
Oh yeah, I know with inflation and everything, prices going up, there's definitely a struggle, and there's always going to be a need. There's lots of kids that lose homes or fires or different things that we help kind of bridge the gap with those kids, and this food drive goes a long ways for that as well.
Kelly, tell me about your role with the food drive. How are you helping support?
Well, I'm just helping getting it published and so people know about it, and helping coordinate it so that way we can get the food and get it to the places that it needs to go.
Okay. So where are you guys collecting at specifically?
We're collecting it study hall versus study hall, correct? And each study hall will try to compete to see who can raise the most or get the most food donated for their study hall. And I think the winning study hall gets a dinner and a dessert, if I'm correct, right?
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And whatever we donate, it goes to the legacy program, and then also goes to our clothing closet that I mentioned, which is like a basic needs closet where we store non-perishable food items, clothing, hygiene products, school supplies, anything a kid may need. As far as like they may come to school and don't have gym clothes, or it could be as extreme as a house fire, and we're needing to help them recoup some of the things they lost.
So if someone in the community wanted to support and donate an item, how would you recommend they do it?
I know this year we're going to do something new. We're going to have a donation drop-off where you could do like a drive-by drop-off before school and after school, the last 3 days of our food drive. I believe it'll be that Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of the last 3 days of our food drive. We'll be doing that donation drop-off, and then just bring the donations to your study hall throughout the school day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so if you know a student in the high school, you can just give it to them to bring in.
Absolutely.
Makes it easy. And it sounds like you're taking more than just canned food items. You're also collecting those clothing items, much needed items for winter and everything.
Absolutely. In our clothing closet, we keep a lot of like hoodies and scarves and coats for the winter time with, the cold weather coming up. That helps a lot of kids in need. But yeah, any donations would be highly recommended and needed.
All right. Anything else you guys like to add?
No.
No, thanks for having us this morning.
Thank you.
All right. Well, this is really great. Let's specifically talk about when the drive begins and ends, or it's already underway, I guess. But
it begins this Friday, and I believe it ends the 18th.
The 18th, that Friday. All right. So we got a few weeks to do this.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Well, good luck, and hopefully all the classes raise lots of donations.
Heck yeah.
All right. We'll be right back.